Hello, everybody. Welcome, one and all. Today, once again, we will discuss about Nationally Conference call for papers on the theme Management Sciences and Technology. Guys, I am Ravindra Kumar, PhD scholar, Department of Management Sciences, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, School of Commerce and Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Today, we have a theme on which we will discuss a conference, a prestigious conference which will be organized by Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar, with the blessings of Honorable Professor and Dean Professor Paunesh Kumar Sir, and Professor Sudhir Kumar Sahu Sir. On the behalf of Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. As we seen on the screen, that is National E-Conference on Advances in Business Management and Technology, NCA BMT 2021. It will be organized on 25th and 26th June 2021, organized by Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar. Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar is a prestigious central university. The research and development, innovations, science and technology to promote the Indian culture, Indian tradition, for Atmanirbhar Bharat as the envisioned by our freedom fighters, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh ji, पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी, आदि अनेकों महान महापुरुषों का जो विजन है एक आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने की तरफ, उसे महात्मा गांधी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी मोतिहारी बिहार नए आयाम और नई ऊंचाइयां प्राप्त करने की तरफ अग्रसर है। हमारे प्रोफेसर ऑनरेबल वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर संजीव कुमार शर्मा is beautifully directing and controlling and organizing this university to fulfill the dream of self-reliant India, and to become the first largest economy in the world. वो दिन दूर नहीं है जब महात्मा गांधी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी मोतीहारी बिहार and Department of Management Sciences and on the chairmanship of Honorable Professor and Dean Professor Paunesh Kumar Sir and Head Professor and Head Honorable Sudhir Kumar Sahu Sir जी के मार्गदर्शन में डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट साइंसेस नई ऊंचाइयां जहां प्राप्त कर रहा है, आगे भी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट में भारत को विश्व की अग्रणी सूची में लाने में सफल होगा और हम सभी रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स भारत माता को विश्व की महान थीम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम की तरफ ले जाने में सफल रहे हैं और आगे भी सफल रहेंगे। जमाने के अनुसार, समय के अनुसार स्थितियां बदल जाती हैं। अभी कोविड-19 का दौर चल रहा है। तो किस तरीके से कोविड-19 से बचाव किया जाए, हमारे भारतीयों का, उनकी स्वास्थ्य रक्षा की जाए, उनके इनकम का सोर्स और भावी पीढ़ी के लिए और वर्तमान पीढ़ी के लिए जो सबसे बेहतर और जो सबसे बेस्ट हो सके, जिससे मानव का, समाज का विकास दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी करके बढ़े, इसकी तरफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट साइंसेस महात्मा गांधी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी बिहार अपने सफलतम कदम दिन प्रतिदिन आगे बढ़ा रहा है। इसी कड़ी में नेशनली कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एडवांसेज इन बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी NCABMT 2021 ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं। ये कॉन्फ्रेंस 25 और 26 जून 2021 को डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट साइंसेज महात्मा गांधी सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी मोतीहारी बिहार की तरफ से ऑर्गेनाइज करने का हमारे वाइस चांसलर की तरफ से ऑनरेबल प्रोफेसर संजीव कुमार शर्मा सर ने ये आशीर्वाद दिया है। Now we will discuss about the conference. Department of Management Sciences as we know, objective of the conference is here, that is to facilitate discussion on business and organizational environment that will expedite nations and growth and stability, to bridge the gap between academic wisdom and practical knowledge. And the third objective is that to develop a series of focused research achievements that will benefit the academic world and industry. Call for papers with suggested themes are as follows. Track 1, that is theme 1, emerging trends in marketing. Second theme, that is emerging trends in human resource. And the third theme, that is emerging trends in finance. Fourth sub-theme, that is emerging trends in international business. Fifth sub-theme, that is emerging trends in technology. Sixth sub-theme is emerging trends in general management. Target audience participants, which are cordially invited on the behalf of Department of Management Sciences, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya School of Commerce and Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Welcome one and all participants, audience, industry experts, policy makers and regulators, financial consultants, academicians and practitioners, research scholars, NGOs, rating agencies and law societies, trust firms, banks, NBFCs, economists, company secretaries, importers, exporters. Paper submission guidelines are the following. The manuscript should be prepared in the following format. The abstract and full paper should be sent to the email ID seminar.mgmt@mgcub.ac.in. Registration process is as follows. The interested participants are requested to fill the online registration form by checking the mentioned link. Criteria for selected papers are as follows. The paper in English should be original, non-reviewed and unpublished, offering new insights, new approach or new knowledge to the existing literature. Papers will go through blind review process and selected papers will be published in reputed edited books. For publication and procurement of the hard copy of the edited book, the participant will be requested and expected to pay the sum of rupees 1000 only, including postal charges. Conference details. Last date for abstract submission, that is 20th May 2021. Notification of acceptance of abstract, that is 30th May 2021. Conference date, that is 25th and 26th June 2021. For further details, all the research scholars, professors, are requested to contact for the inquiries. For registration inquiry, you can contact Mr. Roshan Kumar, PhD scholar, Mr. Rohit Gupta, PhD scholar. For abstract and full paper submission, you can contact Mr. Chandan Veer, PhD research scholar, senior PhD research scholar, and for conference detail, Mr. Siddhartha Ghosh, PhD research scholars. We can access the link of National E-Conference on the Twitter, on the Facebook and university website. the Chief Patron, Honorable Professor Sanjeev Kumar Sharma, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar. Co-Patron, Professor G. Gopal Reddy, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar. Convener of this organization, Honorable Professor and Dean, Honorable Professor Pawnesh Kumar Sir, Dean Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya School of Commerce and Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Co-Convener, Honorable Professor Sudhir Kumar Sahu Sir, Head of the Department Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Organizing Secretary, respected Dr. Sapna Sugandha Ma'am, Associate Professor, Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. Co-organizing secretaries are respected Dr. Alka Lahlal Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar. Respected Dr. Swati Kumari Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Motihari, Bihar. Respected Mr. Kamlesh Kumar Sir, Guest Faculty, Department of Management Sciences, Mahatma Gandhi Central University, Bihar. As we know that National E-Conference on Advance in Business Management and Technology, this is the theme of National E-Conference. So I request to all research scholars, professors, practitioners, businessmen, consultants, practitioners of the various fields, they can send their paper on the theme, on the base theme, that is advances in business and management technology. It is very important to show that National E-Conference is very useful and very beneficial to all of us. It will create a history. It will prove as a milestone on the research and development in the field of management sciences and technology. We will fulfill the dream of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you so much.